Sending out a press release in PRmax is incredibly simple. Simply go to Distribute and New and give your press release an internal working title. Don't worry, the journalists don't see this. And then click Create, which takes you to Step 1. In Step 1, we create our press release. So first of all, we type in the subject line that the journalist will see as the subject on their email. Most press releases have been written and approved in Word, so simply browse, select your Word document and upload. This takes your Word document and converts it to a full HTML email. There are a couple of rules. The document should be in Word's normal template. Any images such as logos or pictures should be in the main body of the document, not the header or footer, as they are locked. And never be tempted to cut and paste into the left-hand panel. Once your release is loaded, you can edit it if you wish, add attachments if needed, although it is better to use the collateral and link function, see separate video. Leave the from address blank and put your email address in the preview address and send yourself a preview. Having done all that, simply click Next to take you to Step 2. Step 2 is even easier. Your list of media lists is shown on the left-hand side, and you simply click on the grey arrows next to the list or lists that you want to use, and click Next to take you to Step 3. Step 3 allows you to make last-minute adjustments to the list. So if you see somebody who you think shouldn't get the story, you can click on the X next to their name and remove them from the distribution. Or if there are a few people, you can mark them and just click on the bin icon to remove them from this distribution. But don't worry, it doesn't change your underlying list for the future. It just says, I don't want to send these people this particular press release. And then you go to Next again. Step 4 is an optional step, which allows you to reach a wider audience by publishing an SEO version of your press release to the web. If you wish to do this, then tick the Publish box. You can then edit the headline and synopsis for the web and add keywords and categories as you see fit. Your press release will now automatically be published to the journalist website PR Newslink when you distribute your press release, where it is available to be scraped by the search engines and reach a much wider audience. If you don't wish to publish the SEO, simply untick the box, and either way, click Next to take you to the fifth and final stage of distribution. The final stage in press release distribution is really the checking stage, at which you can just check your preview email, you can edit still if you wish to, you can change the subject if you wish to, and you can send yourself another preview. But when you're ready to send out your press release, all you do is you put in here the email address that you want the release to have come from, your name, because spammers don't give their name, so we have made that a compulsory field, and then you either click Send to send now, or Schedule delivery, select the date and time that you want your press release to go out, and then click Send. Your press release will be distributed immediately or at the date and time you selected, and if you go to Lists, and within Lists, the second tab, Distributions, you'll be able to look at your press release and see who it went to and the status of each of those emails. And there you have it. Simple press release distribution in PRmax.